Workshops face rising pressure. More EVs mean fewer repairs. And just when cars become most profitable, customers turn to unauthorized workshops. But what if you could fill your calendar before the phone rings? Knowing every customer's service needs ahead of time. Connected Workshop gives you a live overview of your customer's car health, fueled by real-time data. Battery warnings, service alerts, DDC codes, even tire and oil change, automatically turned into diagnostics. Instead of guessing, your team gets precision. Predict what every car needs, plan parts and service time. Your customers get instant errors warnings and deal with minor issues before they escalate to costly surprises. Workshops using Connected Workshop report over 30% more loyalty from customers in key age segments. Over 50% increase in online booking share. And between 15 to 57% increase in workshop visits from connected vehicles. Service reminders go out automatically. Customers book a time online. You can order parts in advance. Efficiency goes up. Satisfaction follows. With Connected Workshop, you reduce booking friction, slash no-shows, match the right technician to every job, track KPIs. The system turns every connected vehicle into a loyalty engine, boosting revenue per visit, reducing operational waste, and future-proofing your business. Connected Workshop, the digital backbone for your after-sales digitalization. Ready to drive loyalty, revenue, and peace of mind? Transform your workshops at connectedcars.io.